Divide 776 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 3. So this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 7 and it is 37. 4 times 9 is 36. On subtracting, we get 1. So this 1 is less than 4. So again we put down this 6 and it is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get 0. So 776 divided by 4 is 194. So this much for today and thanks for watching.